Hi everyone, in today's video I am going to show you how to automate the Supertrend strategy directly from the chart. And the best part is you don't have to write a single line of code. Here I have opened two charts, one for strike and another for Nifty, both on a 1 minute time frame. So first select Supertrend from the indicator section and I am changing my multiplier to 2. The price is currently trading below the Supertrend, so I choose break up option to place order when the price touches the Supertrend up. Okay, and here I have selected a strike, PE strike. Under the strategies you can see the added strategy. You can activate or deactivate the strategy from here. Now the strategy is added. Okay, the price touched the Supertrend and here you see the order is placed. Next, let's see how to place order when the price break below the Supertrend and close. Okay, here break down and close is selected, and I have selected a strike and select a strike, PE strike. Okay, the strategy is added. I am removing the old strategy. This will place order when the price close below the Supertrend and close. Okay, not just touch, it will place only when the price closed below the Supertrend. Okay, the price has closed below the Supertrend and the order is placed. Similarly, you can also use break down to place order when the price touches below the Supertrend and break down and close. Break up and close to place order when the price close above the Supertrend. Okay. I hope you have understood how to automate Supertrend strategy from chart directly from the chart. If you have any queries, please let me know in comments. If you want this software, visit the website mkcodez.com, sign up, subscribe and download. And if you have any trouble installing the software, connect with me on WhatsApp. I have given my number below. Okay, thank you for watching.